Hello, you're with Assistance TV, a YouTube channel for the whole family. In this video, we'll show you how to create a convenient mechanism for carrying bricks and concrete blocks, because it's quite difficult and uncomfortable to pick it up with your hands. And two pieces, let's say 2 concrete blocks, you won't be able to carry. Who has ever worked on a construction site or at home? If you've built something, you know how even through gloves, concrete blocks and bricks can rub your fingers raw. They become dry and the skin gets damaged, leading to red calluses. And you often have to change gloves because they wear out quickly. To make this task easier, we've come up with a pretty simple device. Now we'll tell you how to make it. You just take it, here's our concrete block, lift it up, and you can carry either 1 or 2 concrete blocks. Right away, make sure to create one of these if you're planning to build something. To make this carrying device, we'll need approximately 2 square tubes, such as one 30x30, the other 25x25, 2 pieces of sheet metal, an 8mm bolt, and a washer, 30x32 by 48, sim, and the length of the pipe. You see, it's 54 cm. The tube has a diameter of 25 by 25 cm. To make it comfortable to hold in your hand so that it has a good grip and is easier to carry. It will fit perfectly into the groove of our 30 by 30 cm tube. Now in the 30 by 30 cm tube, we need to cut a groove 4 cm long from each edge, on this side and on the opposite side. Now, we need to make a hole and a cut in a 30x30 pipe. From the edge where we cut, we retreat 2 cm and make it in the center. A hole. Here's the mark. In the 20x20 tube, we measure 11 cm from the edge. And here, we also need to make a hole of the same diameter as here. Next, we measure 16 cm. So up to here, and at this point, where it's 16 centimeters, we need to make a cut like this to bend our tube. Guys, we cut our plates like this. Here it's 4 by 10 centimeters, and here it's 6 by 10 for the top plate. You see, it has this shape, and at the top, there's a groove made for our square tube to fit into it. This will make it easier to weld, you see, right? The welding area will be larger, but it will also hold better. We also made notches so that the grip would better adhere to the block. The brick wasn't always uniform with the slag. We come across all sorts of sand grains and impurities, so we decided to make these notches to improve the grip. If you want, you can remove all the burrs like this. Now we bend our corner at the spot where we made the groove. The angle turns out to be not 90 degrees, but a little more, about 110 degrees. Slightly angled, so it's easier to get a grip. We welded 1 plate onto the bent tube. This is what it looks like, guys. And now we will weld the second one in exactly the same way, but to the other tube. And now we connect our 2 tubes. Like this. We end up with this kind of structure. So we inserted the bolt, and now we have 2 parts that move. You see, now that our mechanism is almost fully assembled, we need to weld the back plate. How do we do it? Here we push it all the way, and we do it. The right angle for carrying is convenient when it's like this. Well, something like this, so it's comfortable to carry and the concrete block isn't at an angle. When you carry it, you hold it like this, and we take our plate and weld it slightly at this angle. The angle should be a little like this. This way, it will be convenient and comfortable. To fix the handle, we can put a hammer under it. For example, well guys, then we'll weld it. This edge must be right at the edge. Press it tightly against the concrete block. Here you can make it according to your cinder block. Whatever cinder block you have, Euro size or something else, that's what we do. And that's it. Now we tack it in place, and we end up with this tool. It is very important to make the right angle here right away, because if it is too high, it will be uncomfortable. If it's too low, you won't be able to get a good grip either. In short, you need to set a comfortable height for yourself. So, we've welded it now, but not completely. We've done a super mega weld everywhere, but we only did a partial weld. You could say we can try tacking it. As you can see, everything is fine, the angles are right, and the concrete block isn't falling out. Now we just need to weld it. We need to cut this one and weld all the plates properly and securely so that everything holds tightly. Friends, well, that's it. The two tools for carrying the concrete blocks are ready. This is how they look. And now, it's really convenient to approach and just grab it. 1, 2. And you can carry 2 concrete blocks at once. Just like this, you see. Very convenient and very cool. But I want to tell you that it's still heavy, so you can really get a workout from it, for real. I'm heading to the construction site.